gonna do a quick review on the hair. It got sent to me by Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. Before I start, if you're new, be sure to subscribe and like this video. This company here credited me so that I could purchase the hair. The link and everything will be in the description box, of course. When you open the box, this is how it looks, right? So this is how the closure looks. Honestly, I love plucking, so I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be very exciting. So this is how the frontal looks. It obviously is not pre-plucked, and that is not a problem for me. For some of you guys, it might be. I got 14, 16, and 18 inches. This is the 14-inch. It comes in the bags, rubber bands around the top, yada yada yada. We all know. Look. Oh my God, I need y'all to peep. I really need y'all to see it. This is straight Malaysian straight hair. This is a very thick 14-inch bundle. Like, I'm very excited. That is the 14. I'm gonna show you guys the 16. And if you guys want, just like this video, and in like a couple weeks from now, I will show you guys an update of the closure and everything. Does it shed? I will let you guys know. So this is the hair, you know, it is very thick. I'm very excited. The website and everything will be in the description box. If you have Amazon, please invest in Amazon Prime, because this hair came to me within 2 days. Can't wait to make a wig out of it. So yeah, here we go. So here, you guys, I'm just showing you how it looks when it's in the process of being bleached. Honestly, look at those knots. Look at those knots. They are bleached to perfection. And this is how it looks after everything is washed out. It looks like scalp. Here is how flat this closure is laying down, you guys. Flat. Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to review this hair really quick because I've had it in for a good amount of time, and I was like, this hair deserves a review. Like, it deserves a review. Y'all need to know about this hair. So first of all, I recorded myself unboxing it, I think, on Instagram. But in case you missed it, this is the hair. It comes from UNice, but it's a brand. I'll put everything, the links and everything, in the description box. But basically, you guys, this hair, I don't know if y'all remember, but I was like, I'm not gonna try a closure because I feel like it's too much. Like, I don't know, I'll do a frontal, but I won't do a closure. But then they sent me a closure, and I was a bit iffy because I was like, I've never done one before, so I don't really know what's going on right now. But honestly, I would actually do a closure again, and it's because of this hair that they sent me. So basically, I've had this in for a minute. Like, I want to say about a month, or maybe even 2. But the closure is not balding or anything. Not balding or anything. Is no shedding. I just want to talk about that real quick, because you know when you have a closure, you know when you have hair, and especially when you cut the wefts, you start to notice a lot of shedding. But honestly, you guys, there's nothing there. Nothing. The hair is super silky, super soft. I don't know, I guess we can talk about shipping. So I got this hair off of Amazon Prime. So of course, if you have Amazon Prime, it's gonna come within 2 days, not even 2 business days, but it's gonna come within 2 days. If you don't have Amazon Prime, I'm sorry, I'm not exactly sure how long shipping will take. But if you have any questions, I'm sure you can ask the seller and they'll be able to tell you. For me, it came in about 2 days. Honestly, that's like one of the perks of having Amazon Prime. Closure came, everything came. I made the wig. I'll put some clips in of me making the wig because I was gonna do a video on that, but I don't know, I changed my mind. The only thing that I didn't like, and I'm gonna say this, the only thing that I didn't like, hair bleached amazingly and everything is fine, but the only thing that I didn't like is that it's really thin. It's really thin. I don't know if you could tell, but towards the end, it gets really thin. This usually wouldn't be a problem, but this is 3 bundles. This is 3 bundles and a closure. So it's not that bad because this is actually good quality hair. So it would be different if the hair was thin and it's shedding and it's bad and it's just terrible hair. But you know, the only thing is that it's thin. It flat irons perfectly fine. I just flat ironed it. It's not synthetic block hair or anything, because there's hair that, you know, they kind of say that you get what you pay for because it's synthetic block, but this is not synthetic block, and all that means is that it's human hair with synthetic strands in it, I guess, to make it fuller. Another thing that I loved about this hair is the closure didn't really have any fillers. Like, okay, I'm gonna go like this. I don't know if you guys could tell, but usually when I go like that, a bunch of hair would come out, but only this much is coming out. Let me do it again, one time for the one time. Not that much is coming out, and that's another thing that I like, because a lot of hair like to try and fool you like that. So yes, you guys, this is amazing quality hair. Y'all need to buy it. The link is in the description box. Like, why would you not? I love hair where you don't have to spend like an arm and a leg, and it's amazing quality and it lasts long. That's the two things that I look at: quality and longevity. Once you have those two things, your hair will be set. So quality of this hair is really amazing. Honestly, you guys, there's no shedding. It's thin, but honestly, this is amazing. I've been wearing this hair for a minute now, and it is perfectly fine. Like, everything will be in the description box where you can buy it, what the hair that I have in now. If you're planning on buying this hair, like this video. If you want to see more videos like this video. But 9 times out of 10 I will be doing more videos like this, because I got some hair, y'all already know. it's not time for that, but yeah. I hope that this helped you out. Honestly, like I said, this is not expensive hair, but it is amazing quality. I'm telling you guys, this will last you for a minute. And if you don't like the ends, all you can do is just cut it and it'll look perfectly fine. I hope that this helped you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.